The aim of this procedure is to quantitate explosive vapors. This is accomplished by first preparing the instrumentation for analysis. The second step is to establish a calibration curve for the instrument using the deposition of solution standards onto vapor sampling tubes. Next, vapor samples are collected for quantitative analysis. The final step is quantitative analysis of vapor samples on vapor sample tubes using gas chromatography-electron capture detector instrumentation. Ultimately, the combination of direct liquid deposition of calibration standards and gas chromatography with an electron capture detector is used to obtain quantitative results for explosive vapor samples.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like liquid calibration curves, is that losses associated with the thermal desorption off the sorbent tubes are taken into account.
Prior to starting this procedure, remove the TDS adapter from the CIS inlet of the GC instrument. After removing the liner, inspect the CIS inlet for particles and debris. Clean any visible debris with a gas duster. Attach a new graphite ferrule to a new CIS liner using the manufacturer-provided tool and instructions for ferrule to liner binding. Then, insert the liner with the attached graphite ferrule into the CIS. Replace the TDS adapter and remount the TDS. Following this, remove the silicon protection from the ends of a new column. Insert a nut and ferrule onto each end of the column. Using a ceramic column